Welcome to Code Tonight. Here I have some PNG images. Boilerplate HTML is already written and some basic CSS is also pre-written. I'm going to have sky and sea in my animation, so creating divisions for these. Let's create IDs of sky and water. Notice that I have given VH unit to height. So whatever the height of our window, sky division will occupy 70% of that window. After refreshing, resize the browser window and see the responsive effect. Now let's give animation property to our sky ID. Sky will be the name of our animation and it will be of 10 seconds. And by saying infinite, this animation of 10 seconds will run forever. Now let's define animation with the name sky. Here we can give as many intervals as we want. These time intervals are expressed in percentage. Now for your understanding, I'm going to give 3 intervals in this sky animation. Now I'm going to write background property for each of the intervals but with different value. Let's understand this. We know that sky animation will run for 10 seconds. So for this animation, 0% means 0 second, 50% means 5 second and 100% means 10 second. So when our animation starts, it will have red background color and then with the passage of time, background color will start to turn into blue. At 5th second, background color will be completely blue. And now with the passage of time, background color will start to turn into yellow. And at 10th second of our animation, background color will be completely yellow. At 10th second, this animation will be completed but it will run again as we wrote infinite for this animation. Let's refresh the browser and see the effect. Nice. Considering your animation time, you have to play with the intervals so as to best suit your animation. I have already figured out the best intervals and their respective properties for all the animations in this video, so I'm just going to paste them. Let's refresh and see the effect. Perfect. Let's have a sun in our sky division. Width of images will be in VW unit and their height will be auto to make images responsive. The sun is going to rise and it is going to set. So the sun image will be moved, so giving position relative to our sun ID. Oops, I forgot to give animation property to our sun ID. Looks like we have a problem. The sun is visible even in the water, so we are going to fix it using Z-index. Now it's working fine. Let's have a moving cloud in our sky which will move in daytime. The cloud ID will be similar to sun ID but with some changes, so I am going to duplicate it. Now let's have a boat floating in sea. Giving it position top so as to lie in mid of the sea. Now a rainbow which will become visible in daylight but it will fade as day changes into night. Created rainbow ID, have a look at it. Now I'm going to work on the moon and the night cloud simultaneously. An awesome CSS animation is created in just few minutes using keyframes. This unlocks many possibilities for you to work on your own ideas. For example, you can have an animation representing 4 seasons of the year. Leaves of trees turn into yellow during autumn and they turn into white during winter season. You get the idea. If you liked the video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.